Hello everyone, this is Robert with HomeCraft. I'm here at our newest listing in Canton. This one's completely updated, 3-bedroom, 2 full bath ranch, walkable to both the elementary and middle schools. You gotta check this one out. Come on. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful brick ranch. If you have any questions about this property, you can find details at www.carriagehillsub.com, or you can email or text us at 734-329-0123 and sold@homecraftteam.com. Thanks and have a good one.